Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. Welcome to my 100th video. We're making garlic dip and wedges today. For extra fibre, don't bother peeling the potatoes, just give them a good thorough wash and get to cutting straight away. 2 to 3 potatoes should be enough for 2 people. If you have a large potato, you may find that your wedges are a bit on the big side, so just go ahead and cut those larger pieces into smaller, thinner ones. Dab off the excess moisture with a paper towel. Go ahead and add the oil of your choice onto your potato wedges, rubbing it in to make sure that they're coated everywhere. Now we're going to add our secret spice blend. You can find the recipe for this on my blog. I'll include a link down below in the description. And always remember to season thoroughly. Make sure your wedges are well coated in the spice mix. Now you're ready to spread these wedges out on a tray. Grab your oven tray and spread out your wedges. Some of them can lie flat and stand some of them up on their ends. Now you can bake your wedges on the middle shelf for 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. To make your dip, we're going to combine yogurt, cream cheese, garlic, mayonnaise, with chives and some lemon juice. You could alternatively use some scissors to chop the chives. I've used 2 garlic cloves, but if you want a subtler flavour you could use 1, or you want it more intense then you could even use 3 cloves. Slice your garlic first, then you're going to want to dice it very finely. Add plenty of salt to your garlic now. You can then mince it. This will also help with the seasoning for the dip. Add as much lemon juice as you would like. Half a lemon gives you around a tablespoon. And here's our final dip. Yum! Can't wait to try it. That's my oven timer just gone off. Time to watch my favourite movie with my delicious snackaroonie. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.